Here's how to send high quality snaps without losing resolution. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. If it's not, go to Play Store or App Store and update it. After updating the app, go to your profile icon on top left corner. And now here, go to settings by clicking on top right corner. Scroll down under privacy control, find this option data saver. Just click on it and turn off this option. Alright, another thing you can do is just record the snap first and then save it to your camera and memories, mainly camera roll, and after that just go on where you want to send the snap, and here send the snap as a file because this preserves high quality and it is treated as a file rather than a snap by Snapchat. And unfortunately, this time Snapchat does not offer any feature by which you can send high quality snap. But alternatively, what you can do is just go on Explore, and here type on the search bar HDR, and you can use these filters to make your image look clearer and sharper. That's it for the video. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. Thanks for watching.